Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the medical history screen on myGC. Medical history gives healthcare professionals a detailed record of a patient's past and current health conditions, treatments, and lifestyle factors, helping them to make accurate diagnosis and create effective treatment plans. For a more comprehensive explanation of the features and sections covered in this video, please refer to the user manuals linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on the myGC dashboard, which you can access after logging in with your credentials. Click on the Health tab on the navigation panel located on the left side of the screen. The Health screen will open. Now, click on the Medical History button. The Medical History screen, General tab, will open. The General tab addresses fundamental questions, including how much the patient smokes, their alcohol and recreational drug use, and the amount of weekly exercise they perform. The Family tab includes a list of hereditary diseases, which are illnesses that can be passed down through generations. Allergies are classified into three main categories: chemical allergies, drug allergies, and natural allergies. Chemical allergies result from exposure to chemicals. Drug allergies involve adverse reactions to specific medications, and natural allergies are reactions to everyday substances like house dust or latex, which can also be present in medications. Recording chronic conditions informs the practitioner that the patient has long-term illnesses or conditions. The Operations tab offers a straightforward way to access and review past procedures, enhancing management and transparency between the practitioner and patient. The Treatments tab allows you to easily log and track all treatments, ensuring accurate and thorough record keeping. The Occupation tab enables the practitioner to record the patient's employment history, including both current and past job statuses. Vaccinations are a crucial part of a patient's health history, especially when tailored to their current health condition and lifestyle. The Travel tab provides a convenient way to log and track your travel history for medical record purposes.